Good day everyone. By the way, I'm Anna B. Galet, BA2 Batch 3. Now, I will demonstrate you to how to get a pulse rate and respiratory rate. First, I will wash my hands to reduce transmission of microorganisms. Next, I will close the door for the patient privacy. While you're giving the pulse rate of your patient, make sure you support their arms like this and the palm of your patient up. And get the 3 fingers of your hands and find this area. Lightly pull your fingers and do not press so hard. And you feel bouncing in the pulse. If irregular, count 3 seconds and multiply by 2. If irregular, count full minutes and record the exact number. Its heart was 28 regular and 2 flat. In a normal adult, 60 to 100 higher beats per minute. Now we're going to do to keep your fingers here or steady, because we're going to next is checking the respiratory of your patient. So if you do patient checking respiratory, or we cannot alter the way we're breathing. So with the same position and access respiratory. Respiratory is the rate at which breathing occurs. This is usually measured in rate per minute and set and controlled by the respiratory center. And a normal breathing rate for adults is 12 to 20 breaths per minute. And you look at the side of your patient and put your hands like this at the back of your patient. Count for 30 seconds if regular, multiply by 2. If irregular, count for 4 minutes and record an exact number. That's all. Thank you.